Hi guys. So I'm going to model the learning about attention mini lesson, right? What is attention? I'll demonstrate this as, let's just say, a middle school lesson, okay? And I might even use a flashlight just as a prop for the middle schoolers too. Okay, so I'm going to go into teacher mode. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to make a loud sound. I'm not actually going to do that because my children are napping. So, bam, you make a loud sound. The kids have just come in the room, they're filing in, they're sitting down, you just do something really disruptive. I don't care if you sing, you yell, you drop something, you slam the door. You do something that's kind of outlandish, all right? And then you say, what just happened? And they'll kind of look at you like you're crazy and they'll say, well, you just started going crazy, or, you slammed a door, or blah, blah, blah. And then you'll say, yeah, I caught your attention by making that sound. That sound caught your attention. But what does it mean to pay attention, right? The teachers ask you to do this all the time. Pay attention, right? What does that mean? Let's take a second to turn and talk. Give them about 20 seconds, no more. Okay, hands up. Let's see everybody's hands up. You just shared with your partner. Everybody had something to say. Hands up. Okay, let's hear a couple of responses. All right, what does it mean to pay attention? Let's just hear a couple of answers. Okay, yeah, it means to focus. Great. Yep, focusing. Definitely part of it. What else does it mean? Okay, it means eyes on the speaker. Right, you learned that back in elementary school. What else does it mean to pay attention? Okay, to concentrate. All right, yeah, maybe that's something that would go along with paying attention. So, guys, here's the thing. Your attention is kind of like this flashlight, all right? Except this flashlight is in your brain, all right? And you're in charge of where you direct this flashlight of attention. Why is this important? Because if you're able to be in control of this flashlight of attention, it can make things a lot easier for you, all right? How many people, when they're doing homework, they tend to get distracted? Your phone starts buzzing, or your sister's running around, something's going on, you just can't kind of get yourself focused. Yeah, okay, I see some head nodding. Being in charge of your flashlight of attention really can make homework easier, make it easier to be present in class and to be able to hear what I'm saying and remember what I'm saying. It can also help you in sports, right? To be able to be in control of that flashlight of attention can really help you in your performance. So we're going to practice this today throughout the lesson. Let's practice it right now to start, all right? So let's just put your flashlights of attention on my shoes. Everyone put your flashlights there. Okay, good. So I see you're looking at it. But you're not looking at it like, right? Because sometimes eyes on the speaker. I see a lot of kids sitting out there and they're looking at me. They're not necessarily thinking about what's happening. They're not really understanding my message. So when your attention is somewhere, you're really directing everything that you have in your mind and in your body toward, really capturing and paying attention to that thing. Okay, let's move your flashlight of attention to the windows. Okay, so kind of moving it that way. Notice when it kind of wanders away and just bring it back. All right, let's all put our flashlight of our attention on Daniel. I know, making you feel awkward. All right, we're all looking at you. Good. Okay, so throughout the lesson today, I'm going to ask us to stop and notice what's happening with our flashlight of attention. I might say, okay, flashlight's on me, right? Just to kind of cue that and help you understand. Remember that you're in charge of it. I might also say, just pause, notice where your attention is right now, because we get distracted and that's normal. Okay? That's our work for today. So I would stop it right there. So as you can see, that was 3 minutes and 49 seconds of a lesson. All right, and I talk too much. It's hard for us to keep it concise and consistent. But just that small amount of time can really change the way that the rest of your lesson goes. And I can't stress enough the importance of cueing this. So you start your lesson, you start math, or you start Spanish, or whatever it is. You're in gym, you start the game, whatever it is. And then you just stop and you pause and you say to them, okay, flashlight's on me. I want you to notice where your flashlight is right now, right? The kids start to get, they start to get antsy. They start talking to one another. Just pause them. Ask them where their flashlight of attention is. So just start cueing and peppering in this language of flashlight of attention. It really can be very helpful. So this is just our foundational first lesson in mindfulness for the students. And everything that we do from here is going to build on this. Okay, so that's my 3-minute demo lesson for today. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to open up the next Google form, the second Google form, and you're going to write your own mini lesson using those elements that we discussed in the notes. See ya.